These all are lying on the land. You see, again you see, natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, economic activities, transport and communication, all are done on land. So, a careful planning is required for land. Careful planning required for land. Land के लिए it is required. A careful planning is required because everything is on land. This is chapter land resource. We took first resource we took is as a resource we took land. So I discussed you everything is done on land. So a careful planning of land is required. Next is we have to come over through. We can say our 43% on the land. What we are finding: mountains, plains, plateaus, islands, oceans. All these things are on land. So we can say 43% of land is plain area. On the total global level, 43% is plain, and on plain we do agriculture and industry. We do it agriculture and industry on 43%. This is a distribution in 100%, and 30% are mountains. 30% are mountains, and mountains are a great source of perennial rivers, tourism, and ecological aspects. Okay. Next is 27% of plateaus. They are rich in minerals, fossil fuels, and forest. So this is the distribution: 43, 30, and 27. This is the distribution of mountains, plains, and rivers. How are they useful? So careful planning is required for land resource also, because everything is lying on the land. This is the first resource we took as a resource. Next is land utilization. Land utilization. How we use land utilization? Mostly we use, as lands are in 43%. So 43% we do most of the things on land. So first is land utilization. How we use land utilization? On the land we found forest. They are also on land. The next type is land not for cultivation. Land that is not for cultivation, like wasteland, like barren land, and non-agriculture uses, buildings and road, factories, all these things. Other utilization of land is other uncultivated land, that is pasture land, grazing land, tree crop, groves, and cultivable wasteland left for 5 years. This is the use pattern, land utilization pattern. The next is fourth type is fallow land. Current fallow left for 1 year. In fallow land left for 1 year. The next is other than current fallow, that is left for 1 to 5 years. The fifth type of utilization is net sown area. Net sown area, we will say area sown more than once in a year. Area sown more than once in a year plus net sown area results in gross cropped area. So this is the land utilization. This is in front of you. If you need any copy from it, you just take the pic of it, and then you do it more elaborate work on it. You just need a little look over land utilization pattern. I told you everything. This is the 5 distribution, and the last is gross cropped area. So this is a land utilization. In our next video, this is about all this resource planning, and the first resource we took as land. All these things we took over it, and the next is we will take is after land resource we will take land use pattern in India. The next we take in this part 3 in resource and development, land use pattern in India. Okay, I think you grasp the lesson. I hope it is favorable for you. It is good for you. Thank you.